Dear all, welcome to Core Java for Testers with Simple Programs. As you all know that I am taking Core Java for Testers only from interview perspective, so I am not going in depth of each and every topic, only whatever is required from interview perspective only I am teaching. So we have many more pending topics in Java. So for the time being, what I thought, let's start with Selenium. So once we start with Selenium, then simultaneously we will cover topics few from Java and then Selenium. So only then we will be able to complete it fast and move on to framework, which is very important for automation testing. So let's today we'll start with Selenium. Okay, to work on Selenium we need to have two files, important files. One is that driver and another one is Selenium jar file. These two files you need to download from Google. There are many videos available in YouTube. Just search how to download jar files for Selenium. Here I am going to take the class straight away. I am not going to show how to download it. I can just give you an overview of it. Just click on the project name and go to new, create two folders and name one folder as driver and another folder as library. This Chrome driver also you need to download and then paste it here in this folder. And inside library you need to download the standalone jar and paste it here in the library. After pasting it here, you need to right click and come down. You will see a option called build path. Okay, then you will see a option here called add build path. Since I have already added, now it is not reflecting, but you need to give add build path. Once you give add build path, you will see a jar file here. See this jar symbol, you will see a jar file. So after downloading this, you can start working on Selenium. Okay, so let me this Selenium I'm going to start from the basics. So let's create a simple program as usual. uh, I'll go to some I'll go to some I'll create some class, new class. um, we'll name this as, we need to, since we are already in Facebook, let's say I will create a Facebook itself. Facebook itself. Facebook 1, because this package name is also Facebook. Folder name, project name is also Facebook, so I'll create it as Facebook 1. Finish. Okay, this is created. Now we need to have a main method here. This is how Selenium works. Control space, create a main method. Now next thing is this, you need to memorize it. System dot set property. You will, the option will show here. You need to select set property. Set properties and properties there. You need to select set property only. Set property. Inside this key, what you should do is you should write WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and you need to give this in double quotes. WebDriver dot Chrome driver. Why we have given Chrome here is we are using Chrome browser, so we need to give WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. This driver varies from the browser that we are using. If we are using Firefox, then it will not be the same. It will be for Firefox, it will be webdriver dot gecko dot driver. If we are using IE Internet Explorer, then it will be webdriver dot IE dot driver. Okay, since we are mostly we will be using Chrome, generally we will give this webdriver dot chrome dot driver. This will also be a part of interview question, so you need to memorize it, webdriver dot chrome dot driver. Then in this value, what you should give is, again it should be given in double quotes, so give the double quotes first. Then what you should give is, go to Chrome, this driver, this Chrome driver, click on it, go to properties, and here you see a location. You need to copy and paste this location there. Let me copy it, give me a minute. Copied, I am pasting it here. Okay, so just for your convenience, I'll bring this down. Okay, now you are able to see the full value, and give semicolon here. Now come down. So this is how you need to set the system dot set property. Now next is, these things are all by default you should give. Okay, webdriver create a driver for this. Webdriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. These things are all by default you should give. And once you give this, you will see an error. Click on that, come here, you will see an option called import webdriver org dot this one. Click on it, this will be imported and this error will be removed. Come here, create class. Okay, I have given us change to Chrome driver. Okay, I have given this spelling incorrectly. Now it should be correct. Let me change this and see why I'm getting this error. Chrome driver within brackets, change webdriver, change to Chrome driver. Okay, now this has been fixed. Save it. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to launch a URL. Here what this automation starts. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to launch the URL. To launch the URL, we are going to use a method called get method. So how we will use the get method is, driver dot get, select this string. Inside this you need to give the URL within quotes. So what is the URL we are going to use? We are going to take this Facebook as an example. So copy this and come here, paste it. Now come down. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to maximize the screen. Okay, shall we try running this program and see if this is launching the Facebook? Go here, click on run. Let's see. See, this Facebook URL is launched. Now we are going to maximize this screen. How you will maximize? You will have to give driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Save it and run it again, and let's see. Facebook is launched and the screen is maximized. This is how the Selenium works. Okay, let's finish this. Let's finish today's class with this, and we will continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.